Hello everyone. Now last time we have seen how to use a nested if, and we have created a program by using a nested if. The meaning of nested if is that if we are using one if inside another if, then it is known as a nested if. Now today we are going to learn something about a logical operators. Logical operators. There are three logical operators, that is or, and a not. Okay, there are three logical operators. The very first thing, why we required a logical operators. Now in if we have seen we can give a conditions. Now if suppose we have to give more than one condition, then how to utilize these conditions? So for utilizing more than one condition or combining more than one condition, we required a logical operators. So there are three logical operators: and, or, and a not. Or operator. The very first, let's see a or operator. So or operator returns true if either condition is true. That means if we have given a two condition, and out of these two condition, if one condition is true and one condition is false, then both the condition, the combination of both condition will return you result as a true. And or operator returns you false if all the conditions are false. Keep remember this thing. In the case of a or operator, if either condition is true, it returns true. If all the conditions are false, then it returns false. Now and operator. And operator returns true if all the conditions are true, otherwise it returns a false. Okay, that means if suppose we are having a two conditions and both the conditions are true, then only the combination or result of these conditions will give you as a true. Otherwise, if any of the condition is a false, it returns you result as a false. Then not operator. Now not operator reverses a result. Keep remember this thing. Not operator reverses a result. What do you mean by this? Reverses a result. Reversing a result, that means if the condition is true, it will give you a false, and if the condition is false, it will give you a true. Okay, keep remember this thing. If condition is true, it returns you false. If condition is false, it returns you a true. Clear this thing. So there are three operators, logical operators. There are three logical operators: and, or, and not. And operator returns you true if all the conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Remember this line. Or operator. Or operator returns you true if either condition is true, and if all the conditions are false, then only it returns false. Then the third, not operator, it reverses the result. That means if condition is true, it returns you a false. If condition is false, then it returns you a true. Now let's see this, how to utilize this particular thing. Now I'm writing one simple program for displaying the logical operator. Program to accept a number and check number between 10 and 20. That means I want to accept a number from a user, and then I'll check whether that number is between 10 and 20. In this, 10 and 20 is included. Keep remember this thing. Okay, for this, the very first, I have to accept a number from a user. So I'll accept a number from a user and then convert it into a number. Since input statement always returns data or values in the form of a string, so that particular string will be converted by a eval into a equivalent value, and that value will be stored in a. Now I'm saying if a is greater than or equals to 10 and a is less than or equals to 20. Now I'm over here I'm using greater than and equals to and less than and equals to. Okay, later on I'll come to you why we are using a greater than equals to and less than equals to. Right now, if a is greater than equals to 10 and a is less than equals to 10, if a number is between 10 and 20, then condition will become true, since we are using a and operator. As you know, and operator returns true if all the conditions are true. That means this complete condition will become true, and if it is a true, then if portion is executed, and if the conditions are false, then the else portion is executed. Clear? Now let's see, run this program. Run module. Now we are running this program, and it will come over here. Now Python shell, it will ask me that enter a number. The very first thing, enter a number. Suppose I'm entering 50 and I'll press enter. So it is giving me number between 10 and 20. Why it is giving number between 10 and 20? The number entered is 15, so the value of a is 15. 15 is greater than equals to 10, yes. 15 is less than equals to 20, yes. So both the conditions, since both the conditions are true, that means this complete statement becomes true. Now it is true, that is why number between 10 and 20 is printed. Clear? Now again we run this program, and this time I will enter, say, some other number. Suppose let's enter 5. Number not between 10 and 20. Now why number not between 10 and 20? Let's see. The value of a is 5. 5 is greater than or equals to 10, condition false. 5 is less than equals to 20, yes. 5 is less than equals to 20, that means one condition is false, one condition is true. That means a whole complete, since we are using a AND operator, the whole condition becomes false. AND says all the condition must be a true, then only it returns true. Over here one condition is false, second condition is true, so it gives you a false. So condition becomes false, so it will come to a else portion. Now else portion says number not between 10 and 20. So now it is displaying a number not between 10 and 20. Clear this thing? Okay, suppose we want to run this particular program again. So I'm again executing this program. Now this time I'll enter value or number as a 10. Okay, now let's see, in the case of a 10 what will happen. It is giving number between 10 and 20. Now it is giving number between 10 and 20. 10 is greater than or equals to 10. Now over here we have written equals to 10. 10 is greater than or equals to 10, yes. 10 is greater than or equals, since it is equals to and we have put over here equals to, that is why this 10 is included over here. If suppose I remove this equals to option over here, in this case it will check whether number is greater than 10, number is between 10 and 20, where 10 and 20 is not included. That means number should be between 11 to 19. Now let's see, run a program. Okay, now this time again we are entering number 10. Again enter 10. This time it is giving number not between 10. Now in a previous run we have said a is greater than or equals to 10, and in this time we are saying a is greater than 10. So 10 is not greater than 10. That means this condition becomes false. Since this condition is a false, so that is why a complete condition becomes false. So it will come to a else portion, and in else portion it will give you this result. Is that clear? So this is how we can utilize a AND operator. Now next is a OR operator. How to use a OR operator? For using a OR operator, let's see, if suppose I say a is greater than 10 or a is equals to 10, double equals to 10, or a is double equals to 20, then number, I'm just printing over here, number is between 10 and 20. Number is 10 or 20. Number is 10 or 20. Number is not 10 and or 20. Okay, now run. Okay, if a double equals to 10 and a double equals to 20. Now in this condition, in over here, the very first thing I'll enter, say, enter a number. I'm entering number as 10. It is giving number is 10 or 20. Why it is giving number is 10 or 20? The value of a is 10. A equals to 10, condition true, or a equals to 20. 10 is not equals to 20, condition false. One condition is true, one condition is false. Now in the case of a OR, as I told you, if either condition is true, it gives you a true, otherwise it gives you a false. So a equals to 10, condition true, so that means this whole condition will become true, and as soon as it becomes true, the if portion is executed, and if the condition is false, it gives you a else portion. So right now condition is true, so that is why it is displaying number is 10 or 20. Now suppose again I'll run this program. At this time I'm entering number as 15. It is giving number not 10 or 20. That means the value of a is 15. 15 is equals to 10, false. 15 is equals to 20, false. Both the conditions are false. In the case of a OR, if all the conditions are false, then only it returns false. That means this complete condition becomes false. False means it will go to a else portion and it will print number not 10 or 20. Is that clear? So this is how we use a OR condition. Okay. Now next, NOT condition. How to use a NOT condition? For using a NOT condition, I'm just taking this a equals a is greater than 10 and I'll use a NOT operator over here. NOT a is greater than 10. Now let's see what happens. Now it will ask me enter any number. Enter a number. There it is. Enter a number. Suppose I'm entering say 3. It is giving number is 10 or 20. Now when we are entering 3, the value of a becomes 3. 3 is greater than 10. False. Not false. Not false means true. That means the whole condition will become true, since true portion is executed, and in this true portion what we have written, number is 10 or 20. Is that clear? Now again let's see, run this program, and this time we'll enter some other number, say 13. I'm entering 13. This time it is giving number not 10 or 20. Now 13 is greater than or equals to 10. Yes, true. Now condition is true. Not true. Not true gives you false. It reversing the result. That means false. False means else portion will be executed, and in a else portion we have written number not 10 or 20. Is that okay? So this is how we can utilize AND, OR and NOT operator for checking a conditions. Okay then? Okay then, please use these things. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.